Papa's.
And then he was like, no. He's like, oh, sorry. He had it in his pocket. And he was hella trying to blame Junior. What?
Oh, hello. Papa's. Papa.
You hot? Are you sleeping?
Yeah, we're gonna go.
Where? Oh.
You guys gonna go home?
Yeah.
Okay. Where did I leave the key? Val, is it in there?
I'll come back. I'm just gonna fuck on one.
Hi, Papa.
Are you coming back?
Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna buckle him up.
Oh.
Papa. Papa. You okay? You okay?
Yeah, he's a cute little baby hen. That's why my baby don't walk.
You shut up.
You shut up.
He's my baby.
What?
So he's my baby.
No, he's my baby. That baby, my baby. You know what? This is.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Hi, Uncle.
Hi, where's the lady in the house?
I think she's still in the back.
You mean
Well,
the man at
Your
the
wife
house?
just said you're not allowed to come over here.
But I have to fix the toilet.
Oh.
Send me over here.
Oh.